In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB commerce problems under economic grouping. So guys, we have about 18 to 20 play questions to practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question over here says, one of the objectives of the Niger Basin Commission is to regulate the movement of citizens across borders, improve tariff and quota on non-members, streaming the construction of dams on the rivers, regulate the movement of cargo along the river. The right answer is option D, regulate the movement of cargo along the river. Next question is one. It says, which of the following group of countries are members of Niger Basin Commission? So we have Ghana, Liberia, and the Republic of Benin, Ghana, Burkina Faso, and Chad, Mali, Liberia, and Nigeria, the Republic of Guinea, Burkina Faso, and Nigeria. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D. Okay, which is the Republic of Guinea, Burkina Faso, and Nigeria. Okay, next of the question is this one. It says an international organization that influence and feeds the price of oil in the international market is the OPEC. Option C. Next question. One of the main objectives of establishing Niger River Basin Commission was to develop infrastructure to facilitate economic activities, promote trade among member states, to improve standard of living, embark on a comprehensive survey of the available water resources, carry out research for development of freshwater fisheries. The right answer is option C. Embark on a comprehensive survey of the available water resources. Okay, next question is one. It says an international organization that influence and feeds the price of oil. So it's OPEC. Option C. Repeat question. Next question. It says which of the following country is not a member of ECOWAS? So the one that is not a member is Cameroon. Okay. Next question is one. It says which of the following countries are members of the Chad Basin Commission? We have Benin and Nigeria, Niger and Cameroon, Chad and Benin, Nigeria and Mali. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, which is Niger and Cameroon. Okay. Next repeat question is this one. It says the West Africa Clearing House became legally operational on 1st July 1976. Okay. Next question is one. Says which of the following is not an objective of ECOWAS? Encouragement of free movements of people, encouragement of trade among member countries, promotion of common language, improvements of infrastructure facilities. So which of the following is not an objective? So the one that's not an objective is option C, promotion of common language. Next question. It's in the common market, member countries agree basically to replace bans on other countries products and negotiate with outside the market for favorable terms of trade, wage war against other countries products, establish common barriers against countries outside the market. The right answer is option D. They establish common barrier against countries outside the market. Okay, next question. This one, it says one of the functions of the Niger Basin Commission is to foster close cooperation among West African countries, guarantee freedom of navigation for all West African nations, map out regulation that will guide all forms of navigation, ensure equal treatment of African nations. The right answer is option C, is to map out regulations that will guide all forms of navigation. This question is one. It says one of the obstacles to achieving objectives of ECOWAS is colonial linkages, sovereignty of states, language difference, lack of common currency. The right answer is option B, sovereignty of states. Next question is this one. An example of cartel is the OPEC. Okay, take note, option D. Next question is one. The instrument establishing the economic community of West African states in 1975 is a treaty. Option A. Next question. The Lake Chad Basin Commission was formed in 1964. Rather, option D. Taking to this question, guys, 1964. Okay, next question is one. It says the member of ECOWAS include we have Nigeria, Chad, Gabon, Cape Verde, Guinea, Mali, Cameroon, Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Niger, and Mauritania, Togo, Nigeria, and Ghana. The right answer is option D, Togo, Niger, Nigeria, and Ghana. Okay, next question. The Lake Chad Commission was established to option A, guard navigation of the rivers, to control pollution of the lake, to establish and stabilize exchange rate, to maintain and stabilize political region. Right answer is option B, to control pollution of the lake. Okay, next question says the reduction of import duties among members countries of ECOWAS is an example of preferential tariff. Option B, very important. Okay, last question for any video, this one. It says the Lake Chad Basin Commission was founded to establish member states to enable member states expand the volume of water in the lake for fishing activity, increase navigation activities on the lake, dam the lake for electricity and agriculture purposes, coordinate their efforts in managing the use of the lake's resources. The right answer is option D. Okay, to coordinate their efforts in managing the use of the lake's resources. So guys, this is basically category problems involving economic grouping for your JAMB Commerce or Practice with 18 to 20 people question for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel or what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what to talk about in this video, feel free leave a question in the comment section below and then ensure to give you a response. So ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking on your box and getting premium information. Help you to sense exams like the JAMB and other exams we're writing. Alright, so if you don't know this, click on the screen above and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.